Part of this journey for me is also getting my personal understanding of this space. And I'm seeing CBD products everywhere. I'm seeing it at drugstores. This federally legal, non-psychoactive element of the cannabis plant seems to be sold as a miracle cure, with projected sales reaching upwards of $20 billion in the next few years. Former running back Terrell Davis, aka TD, is the Denver Broncos' all-time leading rusher and a Hall of Famer. Today he's hoping to convert his success on the football field to success in another field.
I keep your elbows like that. You see that? Bam. Keep them tucked nice and easy. That's what we're going to do. That's 3.
So this idea of people bouncing off of you means that you're getting hit a lot.
We take the most brunt of anybody on the football field. You know, you're talking about 4 or 5 people that could possibly be on you. If you break tackles, now you're going through 7 or 8 people. How often do you work out?
Once every couple hours. So how bad did your body get beat up while playing?
It got beat up a lot.
In 1999, the immense physical toll on his body started to impact TD's ability to play the game he loved.
4th game of the year. Boom. I go down, and it feels like somebody has a blowtorch to my knee. They're just like, and it is like on fire. Something's wrong.
This is it.
I know something's wrong with my knee. Tore ACL, and I was never the same. I remember that was one of the toughest years I had gone through, because my mind was saying, hey, you can do it. You're an athlete, you'll be back better, but the body did not respond.
Plagued by injuries, TD retired early in 2002.
My knees and my body, they were constantly inflamed. And although I like to work out, when I would work out, I'd be set back for 4 days.
Finally, in 2017, TD tried a new remedy post-workout that, according to him, changed his life.
I kept hearing all this about CBD, didn't understand what it was. And finally, after doing some real deep diving into what it is and how your body responds, wow, if it can take the inflammation out and the chronic pain that I was experiencing, that to me would be great. Tried it, and wow, I noticed a difference. When I was working out, I work out one day, and I was back at the gym the next day.
Are players today that currently play in the NFL permitted to use CBD?
Not right now.
And have you been able to at least crack the door to have a discussion with the NFL about it?
We're working on that.
Meanwhile, another Denver-based CBD company, Encana, has a mission to change lives by providing quality CBD products to veterans, and through advocacy, reverse a ban on CBD for active duty service members. I want to understand why they think CBD can help. Founder and Army veteran Kobe Cochran invited me for a hike along with the rest of the Encana team, wife Melanie, and fellow vet Brian Kelleher. How do veterans find you?
Social media, word of mouth.
We're out there at events, talking to people and really trying to help them.
Is that really why you did it?
It is.
To help them?
Right.
How come?
I had just completed probably one of the most difficult military selections in the world. That was the path that I was heading on my career. And due to my medical issues, I was told I was done. And when I was told I was done, I was on about 13 different prescriptions.
Can you share what those things were? What caused you to leave?
Suicidal ideations. I struggled with that on and off for a decade. They really started to increase whenever I was on 3 different medications at once.
What activity put you in that situation where you needed to take those?
I mean, I was 19 doing raids on, some of the most dangerous terrorist organizations to exist. I have buddies in service right now who are suffering, they're struggling, and their only options, prescription pharmaceuticals or nothing. Combat veterans, they all struggle with issues in one capacity or another. A lot of those issues don't come out until they're stateside. I've lost 7 friends, including my father at this point, just in the last decade of service to suicide.
And why isn't the federal government seeing the benefits of the things that people like you are doing?
I don't know. So we hope to change.
Can business make money?
We've been in the green since day one.
I was just going to say something. I hope you don't think it's funny. No. In business, it's red or black, but in marijuana, it's apparently just green.
Yeah, we vote green.
Yeah.
There you go. Anytime you meet a business owner that has a specific experience where they themselves went through something traumatic, we need to stand up and pay attention. And what these veterans are telling us is they do not want to be given prescription drugs. While I don't use CBD myself, from what I've learned, people are saying it works for them. So I can see why this is a market with such a broad customer base that is already changing lives, not just in Denver, but across the country. Coming up, I learned a new skill I never thought I'd